Welcome to GTech Software Educational Consult, the great citadel of learning. Brother and sister who are watching us at home, I really welcome you to the edition of our program this afternoon. Whenever where you might have been watching us, welcome you to GTech Software Educational Consult. This afternoon, we have another package for all our viewers. So, we are coming in with a new technological involvement. As we know before, to our followers, those who have been with us for long, you know what GTech Software Educational Consult, you know what we are into. To the new viewers, we have to tell you what we are into. It's very compulsory for you to know more about us, to know what we can do. GTech Software Educational Consult is an IT establishment fully registered by the Federal Republic of Nigeria to train on information communication technology and also to train professionally. As I've told you earlier, that want to come in with a new technological know how ability task. There is no new thing under the sun. Day-to-day involvement of humanity, our individuals' involvement on earth, we have a principal reason for our doings on a daily basis as an individuals. GTech Software Educational Consult is here today to make each and individuals to know things that we need to know, to have things that we need to have, and to pursue all what we need to pursue. We all believe that the situation of this country is worsening on a daily basis. We all know it and we believe it. But the fact that we need to know, the fact that we need to realize, based on our individual capacity to tackle challenges when it comes. We have millions of graduates being posted to place of permanent assignments on a weekly basis nowadays. But if I may ask, the youths posted to a particular establishment, the graduates that was sent to perform his mandatory 1-year service program in an organization. Don't forget that such a youth, such a core member is being expected by his or her employer to start his or her duty at Wednesday. But now, you have to tell me the reason why, how will I employ a person that cannot render the service to my establishment? How will I give my 50 kobo out for a staff that cannot perform the task that he or she ought to perform? Nigeria is our country. Nigeria is a place where we dominate. Nigeria, this name Nigeria, it has a lot to do in our development, because ability to perform a task at one deal makes your life to differ from others. Your individual competency is what will create money for you. Inability to discharge the duty being expected by employers will render such a being, it will render him or her useless. The secret of life is on you and I. You need to think twice before you venture into a particular business. The economy of Nigeria is not stable. Dollar is increasing on a daily basis. Yes. And this has been affecting the growth of masses in our country. We all know it. But for your life, for my life to move forward, for me and for you to be progressing in your day-to-day activities, it depends on the way you handle what you do. Are you not part of employers that usually frank the customer to clients, even to staffs? Am I not a kind of an employer that does not even want to listen to the complaint of their clients? Inability to listen to the complaints of clients may render your business useless. I remember times ago, years ago, when we are running a program with the Chartered Institute of Customer Relationship Management, we are being taught on a topic, customer always tries. Yeah. For any business owner, for you to become a successful in the business to which you are into, you need to have it in mind that your customer always tried, even at that point when they do what you even know that is not right. You let them know that they are all right. Or because of what? Because of the money to which you want to collect from them. At this 21st century that we have, I think the solution to reduce the level of unemployment in a community is to be self-employed. We have to know ways to create employment for ourselves. You look around your community. I look around my community. What will I do? At least to ease myself from this unemployment that is much alarming in our community. At the point when you just think about it, you have to put things in consideration. Don't forget, the principal aim and objective for you of thinking of setting up a business is to reduce the level of unemployment in a country and create work for yourself, a place where you at least will be earning an income for your sustainability. You believe in yourself first. Any Nigerian youth that want to make it in life, you plan well, appropriate planning. When you have a good planning schedule and you maintain the schedule, you follow the routine schedule, at the end of the day, you will rejoice. I'm using this channel to encourage our youth outside there that we should keep on focusing and keep on striving and believe that one day we'll make it. We have a lot of youth corps serving under our establishments, and we know their performances, we know their ability. Now, something that's just funny. It's going to a month ago when a youth corps posted to our establishments for his 1 year mandatory service year. When she got to our place, if I remember very well, that corps member studied computer science. She's an HND holder. We welcome the corps member that she's welcome to our great citadel of learning. To my own belief, since him graduated from the Polytechnic, I believe that she must be a kind of a genius corps member who has undergone the practical learning that can make her able to tackle any situation that comes on our way in the journey of life, to be precise, in upper market. But very unfortunately, it was not I just think of it. Computer science students, the graduates of the Department of Computer Science, that cannot even tackle challenges of the day. In the sense that being a graduate of the Polytechnic that studies computer science at this digital age, an HND holder that cannot type on a system. Now tell me, after our 1 year mandatory service, without our thinking and rethinking very well, that now I've graduated from university, I've graduated from polytechnics, and I did not have anything upstairs. What will I do? See, assuming that such corps member did not realize on time that she doesn't have anything to offer people outside that can make her to become a successful person on earth. Assuming that she doesn't realize that on time, such a corps member will be added to the numbers of people, of graduates, of you that will be complaining of no job in our country. By the special grace of God, because she realized on time, she pulled in for her programming school, and now she's performing well. What am I saying? You need to discover yourself before it is too late. At least there is something out upstairs that there is something in you that can make you to become a better person in life, but when will you implement it? Try as much as possible, think of way to implement what you have upstairs. Nigerian youth, let's stop wasting much of our precious time in waiting for government job. Let this be well known to you. Government cannot give us all we need. If we want to become a successful industrialist, we need to be more focused on entrepreneurship. Let's be an entrepreneur to the fact that we should be a job creators for others. I remember gone the days when we start that business. We start the bed. I've repaired mobile phone for many years back now. See, there is no phone I cannot repair. You know, in the business, there is loss and profit. You make a gain, you make a profit, and at the same time, you loss. But at the time when there is no turnover in your business, don't give up. Giving up will not make your business to last. But be courageous. Be courageous. The challenges you are facing in your workplace, at the time when there is no customer that patronize your business, that point in time, what that time is telling you is you need to work harder. Work harder. Although you did not see customer today, you work harder. If you work harder with a new strategy, customer may come tomorrow. Better customer will come tomorrow. On this, if you keep that spirit, if that spirit in you is an encouraging spirit, before you know it, you will make it in life. I wonder when still a business that is not up to 2 years, that go down, that fold up. You could see that such a business was closed down because the owner of a business, the particular person, such an entrepreneur, that investors allow the spirit of fear to turn down that business. If you want to do business and have a good success, have it in mind that business is a risk. You ask me, the business that we set up with 20 million naira, and within 3 months, 20 million naira turned to 5 million naira. You are asking me that, doctor, will I still continue? Yes, you continue. Don't let that 20 million, don't let it turn to 5 kobo. We have a waiting period in a business. Your waiting period at that time, when your business is still struggling, you are still struggle with your business. You carry a load here, you carry a load on your head, you carry a load here, you support it with another load. That is the waiting period. You need to believe that a day I have to make it in this business, I don't need to give up. Nigerian youth, never give up in any challenge, in any situation of life. You think on a daily basis, what will I do that will make me to become a successful on earth? You change You change to a new strategy. Use a new strategies. No, use a new way of handling your business. This Nigeria that we have, Nigeria ò rọrùn rárá ọmọ o. Nigeria kò rọrùn. Who is that man sitting at that corner, proving to you that you will not make it in your business? No. As a business owner, as an entrepreneur, you must be prayerful also. You must be prayerful and be focused. And have it in mind that you have to make it no matter how you make it. Dangote started small and look at him today. We have to believe in ourselves and start pushing. I do tell people that the only magic, the only ritual, the only greatest ritual that is productive is for you to keep on under your business to which people know you for. People may name you, may rename you that look at that silly man. He has been in that office for 2 years, nothing to show for. He has been in that office for 3 years, nothing to show for. But you leave them because you know where you are going to. And you know the end will be successful. In the name of God, my people who are watching me now, almost especially our youth nationwide, I don't want you to be discouraged at all in cause of this ASUU strike. Find a work to go into. You have to learn, at least go venture into a business. I can introduce you to a long-lasting project, a long-lasting business, and its IT world. As we know that GTech Software Educational Consult we are into IT. We are into information communication technology tasks. You want to become a programmer, any languages to which you want to learn, come to GTech Software Educational Consult. We are good in programming. Cyber security, we are good. UI UX, we are good. Networking, we are good. Mobile and web development, we are good. Brother and sister, we need to look for better way of life for ourselves without waiting for the government. It's good for someone to become a white collar owner of jobs. It's good for you to secure a white collar job. Yes, it's good. But for you not to waste your precious time, key in into IT, key in into entrepreneurship tasks. And we are using this medium to announce to the world that now we have our drone academy, GTech Drone Academy. Application will be out from next week Monday, which each individual can apply to become a drone operator directly on our website www.gtechedu.org.ng. You just apply and you choose drone operator. Brother and sister, we are here to enlighten you on information communication technology. Information is power. Technology is the key. Communication is the channel. Communication will make technology to work out. With the help of communication, technology, information will be useful. And by the special grace of God, GTech Software Educational Consult will have alliance with an international university across the globe. Are you an ND holder, HND holder that want to do HND to BSc conversion, ND to BSc conversion, or you want to do your masters? GTech Software Educational Consult is the right channel. That's the power of information communication technology. You can run your degree through GTech Software Educational Consult. You can run your degree online. Don't forget, GTech Software Educational Consult is not a degree awarding institution, but GTech Software Educational Consult is a degree awarding institution linkage to the university where you get your certificate at the end of your program where they affiliate university. Through GTech Software Educational Consult, you can have your BSc, you can have your masters, you can have your PhD. We link you to an international university where you can badge all the certificates. Brother and sister, I know some people who are new here may have this question in their mind. Some might have been asking that who is this man that has been talking. Wow. I'm Dr. GK Ocheni, the director of GTech Software Educational Consults worldwide. And also, GTech Software Educational Consults, we are the owner of the Chartered Professional Institute worldwide. In case you might have come across the Chartered Professional Institute worldwide, we are also the owner of the institute. Our mission is to train whosoever that want to become a successful industrialist in any field, be it a medical doctor, legal practitioner, any course of study to which you might have studied on campus. We are here to provide a possible solution to the issue to which you might have been passing, you might have been facing, as the case may be. GTech Software Educational Consults, impacting the world with information, communication, technology. Anyone among those who are watching us, if any one of you have a question, you can start throwing the question out now. So we'll be able to give a response to the question. Okay? There is someone that sent a message now to my private mobile phone. He said, hello. In case I want to put for my HND to BSc program, what will I do? Okay. You have your HND before. All you just need to do, you send your HND certificate, your O-level birth certificate. If you have international passport, you send it to us on our email, info@gtechedu.org.ng, or you send our document to gtech2008@gmail.com. So, and you log into our website to apply, www.gtechedu.org.ng. So when you are filling the form, you just click on the button HND to BSc conversion. The application form is 20,000. So after filling the form through our portal, the consult will forward your document to the available university who are currently enrolling students for the BSc conversion program. So such a university will screen your documents, you go through your HND certificate and other documents. So the Senate of the intended university to which we are linking you to, having gone through all your documents, they send a response back to us upon the provision of an admission from the university, immediately they approve your application letter. JIT Accepted Educational Consult will notify you through your email, and other information will be communicating to you directly from the university and to your other students. We are linking students to an international university for academic excellence. Brother and sister, what are you still waiting for? Dr. Gideon is there for you. Talk of anything on academics. Talk of anything on information communication technology. Talk of anything on entrepreneurial task. We are there for you. Choose JIT Accepted Educational Consult as a channel to your problem, to your issues, is the way out. Stop wasting much of your time. ASU today, ASU tomorrow, ASU strike today, ASU strike tomorrow. Call us on our mobile phone 070-65-200-423, 070-65-200-423, or +29 52 +229 52 806133, +229 52 806133, or 091 5566 2833. GTech, imparting the world with information communication technology. Thanks for watching. We are still coming back to give you details about what we do, details on how you can become a successful industrialist. Thanks once again for watching. It's GTech Software Educational Consult.